Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a subscriber request, and that is a leg of lamb. Perfect, because Easter's right around the corner. So stick around, we're doing it next. All right, let's get started on this delicious leg of lamb. Easter's right around the corner, so let's get going. We got our lamb we washed and patted dry. Now I've taken a large mixing bowl. I'm going to add some olive oil, some oregano, some salt, and some black pepper. Then we're going to take our leg of lamb. We're going to put it in that mixing bowl. Oh, I forgot a little bit of lemon juice there. About a quarter cup. Now we'll put our leg of lamb in there. And we'll make sure that it gets coated real good with all that seasoning and spices and olive oil and lemon juice. All right. Now, set that to the side. And I've got 3 good size lemons that I'm going to slice up, because we're going to use these lemon slices as the base of our pan. We're going to put them on the bottom of our pan and put the leg of lamb on top of the lemons. So once we get these sliced up, we got our baking dish out, or baking pan out, and we're going to layer all these lemons on the bottom, and whatever are left over we'll put on the sides, so that leg of lamb picks up all that beautiful lemon flavor. Next, I got about 15 to 18 cloves of garlic. Any of them that are a little bit too big, I'm going to take the paring knife there and cut a little smaller, because we're going to put all this garlic into our lamb. So we don't want too big of pieces in the lamb. So we'll cut them all up. Now we'll place our lamb fat side up right on top of those lemons. Now we're going to take our knife, puncture a little hole, push in a nice piece of garlic. And we're going to do this about 15 to 18 times all over that leg of lamb. And this is going to give that lamb an amazing flavor. While that's being done, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about us. Hit the bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. And if you can leave a comment, even better. Thank you. So now we've got all of our garlic into our lamb. I've got some fingerling potatoes. I'm going to add the same amount of lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, salt and pepper to the potatoes. And then we'll give that a real good mix. And then we're going to place all those potatoes all around the leg of lamb, so they will cook right along with the lamb and pick up all that delicious flavor. Next, take your meter or your probe, slide it into the middle of the lamb. That way we know when to pull it out of the oven. That is preheated at 350 degrees. And about 2.5 hours later, there you have it. A beautiful leg of lamb with lemony flavored potatoes. So delicious. Ready for any occasion or just in time for Easter. We'll start to slice it up. I let it rest for 20 minutes and it still was just loaded with all that beautiful juice. Delicious leg of lamb. Hey, enjoy this recipe. Enjoy your Easter. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.